Welcome to the St. John's Fort, or the Fort of St. John, or Tvrđava Svetog Ivana.
Rising above 260 meters above Kotor, the walls extends 4.5 kilometers along Mount St. John. The structure uses the mountain's contours as part of its defense, a precise combination of natural terrain and medieval design.
Kotor was part of the Venetian Republic's maritime empire, which needed stronghold like this to hold off the Ottoman Empire and other rivals. With the control of the Bay of Kotor, the fortress protected one of the most sheltered harbors in the Adriatic. It wasn't just about the walls, it's about the water, trade, and a survival.
The walls are made of local limestone bound with lime mortar flexible enough to absorb seismic shocks. Their thickness varies from 2 to 15 meters depending on the slope. Bastions project outboards so defenders could fire along the curtain wall, a Venetian innovation refined over centuries.
This is why the fortress was constantly updated by the Venetians, then the French under Napoleon, and later the Austro-Hungarians. Along the climb, you'll see a small chapel like the Church of Our Lady of Remedy, built in 1518. That wasn't just a religious site, it was where the locals prayed for protection. Higher up, you'll spot a rainwater system essential for surviving a siege. There are also small lookout points where soldiers could watch both the land and sea for miles. The fortress has been through a lot. Earthquakes in 1667 and 1798 did serious damage, but the walls were repaired again and again because the location was too valuable to abandon. Even now, though parts are in ruin, the bones of this defense system are still solid.
Restoration efforts often reuse original stones to preserve the medieval layout. After the 1979 earthquake, engineers stabilized upper section and secured rock layers above the town. That same year, Kotor was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, guaranteeing ongoing protection.
Today, it takes over 1,300 stone steps to reach the top, but you're rewarded with one of the best views in Europe. Kotor's walls and fortresses are now on the UNESCO World Heritage Site, part of the natural cultural historic recognition of Kotor. And standing here, you don't just see the view, you see why people fought to hold this place for so many centuries. So, next time someone tells you Kotor is just a postcard town, remind them this fortress tells a much deeper story, and it is all still here, waiting for you step by step.
The Institute for the Protection of Cultural Monuments of Montenegro oversees maintenance and research. The preservation team continues stabilizing the slopes and conserving the wall against erosion. The site remains open year-round, a lasting monument to both engineering skill and endurance.
If you like my content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And most importantly, keep digging.